Okay, this could be an interesting one. We have Lynette against Wozniacki, first round of the Australian Open 2024. Played twice before. Wozniacki won both on hard courts in 2017, 2016. Lynette reached the semis last year, so that could work either way, whether she's motivated to defend those points. But it was a bit of a surprise that she got that far, and I think she could feel the pressure of expectation, if only her own expectation. It's certainly not an easy start for her today. She reached the third round in Beijing, final in Guangzhou in September, second round at the US Open, fourth round in Miami. Wozniacki reached fourth round at the US Open. Played well against Svitolina this month. Don't have too many matches to look at for her recently, but I am giving her the edge. Her price has dropped from 168 to its current 152. 168 wasn't a bad price, but she's too short at 152. Decent chance of 3 sets. See what it gives us. Tape on Lynette's left leg. Looks like Lynette won the toss and chose to serve. As I say, 168 when I did the notes yesterday. I am giving Wozniacki the edge. Certainly wouldn't be back in at 1.5. So I've just seen how many matches are on tomorrow. Gonna be a busy boy. I'll trade this one and I'll make a start. 56 matches tomorrow. At least with them spreading things out over 3 days, starting a day early. It's not the 64 that I would normally get first 2 days of the first round. First 2 days of the tournament, which is the first round. Nice way to spend a Sunday. Though it does make it nigh on impossible to trade too many of the matches. Certainly can't work all day and then work all night. And then do the same the next day for 3 days straight. So we could do with a hold in the first game. That's not an ideal start. Now, do you think she's feeling the pressure of defending semi-final points already? How's she going to serve? Because of the lack of matches, you don't want to be back in at a silly price. Former Australian Open. Obviously world number 1. 2 break points. Can she take one of them? Could be. Or is it just a second serve? Market's reacted to the second serve. Saved it. Come on, take this one. Again, a second serve. Market reacting. Bollocks. Bollocking, bollocky, bollocks. Stats aren't correct. She's hit more than 1 second serve in this game. Unusual for Tennis 24. It will correct itself. Another second serve. Lynette's had her chances in this game. Is it going to be a hold? No, not yet. That's juice. Didn't bail out at the last game point. Oil this time. I do think there'll be an extra nerves for Lynette coming into this tournament. She may need to win a point on serve. Trying to stop myself doing that, jumping in mid-game. So like I said earlier, I do favour Wozniacki, but 0.5 was too low to be backing her. Having said that, I've just backed her at 127. Only ever going to be a short-term entry. Okay, Wozniacki 2-1 with a break. I really did expect her second service game to be better than the first. She faced 2 break points. Lynette should be feeling a little bit better after that awful first service game. Come on, give us break points again. Second serve. I think she's got that one. Shame. She's got that point as well, unfortunately. Oh, maybe not. Market seemed to be bailing out on the lay side. Break points. So, third break point in 2 games. Missed the first 2. It's going to be a match where she gets close but just gets nothing from it. It's another one. She saved that one again. Come on, give me a break, literally. You bastards. Another one. Come on. Ratting about. 5th break chance. Oh, has she? I think she has. Market's reacting. Is it just a second serve? No, she's got it. Marvellous. About bleeding time. 5th time lucky. Let's take some out. Break even 135. She's more or less where she was, I think. 134 when I placed the first lay after the break. But can she hold after breaking? So many players struggle with that. That's a good start. Gonna switch over to Wozniacki. Try to. Break even now 183. Those players struggling to find first serves. When you've got a situation here where you've got a player, Wozniacki, obviously a lot of pedigree, hasn't played a massive amount of tennis recently. You don't want to commit too much money to the market early on. Saved one. Looks like she's saved another. Looking at the market, there she is. 2 saved. Second serve and a break. I think. There you go. So Wozniacki up a break again. Can she do a better job this time? Probably not. 15 to juice. Nope, wasn't looking at the stream, but I was listening, and the umpire got on the radio to someone. Seemed to see what happens at the change of ends. Could have been nothing. Could actually have been speaking to somebody in the court. They're getting 50% of her first serves in. Yep, she's struggling. See if the medic does come out. There we go. Be nice if she didn't retire. Well, it'd be nice if she finished the set and then retired. Would save me a bit of time trading the second set. Presumably painkillers. Don't quit. Obviously on Betfair, if the first set is not completed, all bets on the match odds market are void. Off-court medical timeout. Finish the set, you bugger. A retirement after the set would suit me fine. Everything else I've got to fit into today, including going shopping. Well, she's back fairly quickly. Is that good or bad? See if she picks her racket up. Oh, looks like she's... That's what you get for not watching the stream properly. I hadn't glanced at it. I thought that was Lynette walking back out. Obviously, Wozniacki just nipped over to have a chat with her dad. I was just trying to download the matches for tonight. I think she just said treatment's complete. Do not quit. If you're finishing treatment, you're not intending to quit. So just have one more game, then quit. And we don't need Wozniacki to piss about and get broken. Okay, she did have tape on her left leg but below the knee. It's now got strapping on her left thigh, which you would imagine is going to affect serve, pushing off to serve. See if we get that far. Wozniacki hold would be ideal. Can be tough to come out and serve after a medical timeout for the other player. It's the reason a lot of players use medical timeouts as a way of stopping the momentum of their opponent. do anything silly like getting broken. Let's just get the hold so that we know that bets stand. Yep, she's got that one. Second serve. Yep, she's got that. Okay, at least we know we're getting paid as long as we can keep green on the screen. And even better, Lynette to serve first in the second. Okay, set 2. Overly happy. Saves 1. Saves 2, I think. What's the market doing? No, maybe not. So obviously I could just green up and go and do what I need to do. Hold here would be nice. Put the net back at the service line. Surely if she goes a double breakdown, she would quit. Surely. Yeah, she's going. Obviously at 101 I was going to hedge anyway, but a few more pennies. So there you go. You don't need. I'd have liked to get more money in the market. Didn't get the opportunity early on. Reasonable return. See you on the next one.